Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to study about colligative properties. So before studying what is this definition of colligative property, let us understand about solutions first. So we know that solution is made up of solute and solvent. If there is solvent, if you add some solute into it, you will get the solution. Totally this will act as solution. So let me take one example. Let me prepare one sugar solution where I add 1 gram of sugar into 100 ml of water, where water is a solvent and sugar is a solute here. And I'll prepare another solution in the beaker, same sugar solution in the beaker, where I put 2 gram of sugar in 100 ml of water. So now, which solution will be more sweeter? Obviously, this solution will be more sweeter than this sugar solution. So, on what factor does that sweetness depend? It depends on the quantity of the sugar, that is the solute which is added into the solvent. So, it is understood as the concentration of the solute increases, the sweetness is increased here in this case of the solution. So we can tell that sweetness property depends on the amount of sugar or concentration of the sugar, and concentration is nothing but the number of particles of that sugar present in that solvent. So I can tell that property depends on the concentration or number of solute particles present in the solution. So similarly, colligative property is one type of property which property of the solution, okay, which is dependent on number of solute particles that are present in that solution, and it is irrespective of their nature. Whatever may be the nature or identity of the solute, that doesn't matter here. Only the factor which depends is the number of solute particles. So the colligative property will vary with the number of solute particles. So this is the definition. The properties of solution which depends on the number of solute particles in the solution irrespective of their nature are called colligative properties. And in Latin, co means together, ligate means to bind. So together binding property, it is called as colligative property. So here in this chapter we have to study 4 different types of colligative property. So whenever we get a term colligative property, how to remember? It depends on the number and not the nature. Okay. So which are these 4 different types of colligative property? And this colligative property, it is especially used to find the molar mass of the solute. Whatever the solute you add here, we can find the molar mass of that solute by using the colligative property. So there are 4 different colligative properties. The first colligative property is a relative lowering of vapor pressure. So this property is related to both solvent and solute. Totally it will act for the solution. And another colligative property is depression of freezing point of the solvent and elevation of boiling point of the solvent. That is the third one. And osmotic pressure of the solution. That is the fourth colligative property that we have to study in this chapter. So we will study all these 4 different colligative properties one by one in the next video. Thank you.